Okay, here we are back inside MatrixGold once again. Thanks for tuning in. Hope the videos are helping your designing process. If they are, please go ahead and hit subscription. Tap on that notification bell. Leave me a like, and please drop a comment down below. Just really, it's been a while, so I've been busy, very busy actually. But I'm going to had a request in the channel for just a signet ring, square top. So I'm just going to do that real quick. And there's a lot of other things in this that we could work with, but we'll just stay focused on just making the square top. Very easy. So what we're going to do is go ahead and go to our tools and just grab a ring rail. And now you can change this to any size you want. I'll just go ahead and keep it to this for this video right here, but you can change the size it over there. We're going to do it non-parametric in this particular video. To get it all laid out. So what we'll do is we'll go to curves. We'll just grab a square real quick, and we'll change that to yellow, creation layer to keep everything organized, right? And I'll just type in a 10, enter, and a 10, enter. Well, first I got to click and then type in a 10, enter, and a 10, enter. So it gives me a 10 by 10 square, right? And now I'll just go ahead, go to my transform menu and center it, right? So it's right over our item there. Now we can just take this and we can drag it up to whatever height we want it, right? So you can check the height using your dimension if you want to get it at a certain height. Just check it, whatever. We got it at a 4.5 there. So we'll just say that that's cool. That's what we want. This is pretty easy. Next thing I'll do is go to my tools real quick and then just grab a outside ring rail just to make it easier. So I'll just go ahead and take, you can whatever size thickness you want, you just drag it out to whatever size you need or what you're looking for, and we'll just go ahead and click. Next one, we'll say we want 4mm on the bottom, right? So we want a 4mm shank on the bottom. So I'm going to just grab another line, but before I grab that, I'm going to right click on it so I get it from both sides, right? And I'll go to the outside one, make sure my quad snaps are checked right down there and our snaps down here. And we'll snap it to that quad, hold down, and we're going to make it a 4mm. So we'll type in 2 and that'll lock it into the 2. So we'll hit enter. So it locks it into the 2, hold down shift, and we have a 4mm shank out here. The bottom, right, will be 4mm. Okay, so now we need to get this side here taken care of, right? So what we'll do is we'll just grab a line, go to the mid here, make sure my mid snaps are turned on right here, and I'll just drag it down to right there, right? Now, I mean, there's lots of different ways we could do this. We could just go to our side view, grab another line, right, and click it to the quad there in our front viewport, and then hold down shift, and with our intersection checked, we can just drag it straight over and it will just stay straight, right? That'll give me that edge right there, although the line is straight, if you can see it here. So I'm just going to take this line and don't believe we need it. We might as well keep it, so we'll change it to gray and turn it off. So we have this out there, right? Now we need to get the shank. I mean, really easy for a square. Basically, you can do the same things with your beveled, but we'll maybe make another video about that. And there's all other kind of things that we can do inside there too. If I can find the time, I'll try to elaborate on all that as well. So we're going to go to our polyline here, grab that polyline, and we're going to click. Right now I'm using 3.5, just so everyone knows. I'm not using the 4.0 or what's not released yet, and then the 3.11. So I'm using 3.5, the older one. I'm going to go ahead and click here, and then what I'm going to do is, if we drag it straight, we're going to get a straight line. So we can go down here and turn the mode from line to arc, right? And if I snap right here, yeah, there it is. We can go over here to our quad or our perspective view here and just snap right there. You can see, and if we take it to the top, right there on that edge, the corner edge right here, right there, and then we'll just right click. So now we have it. And as you can see, that line is really, really close to our outside ring rail line, right? So there we go. We pretty much have it. What we're going to do is go ahead and we'll take this one and we'll turn that to gray because we don't need it anymore. Okay, now we'll take this line and we will go to our transform and we will mirror X, Y multi, and now we have that whole thing out there, right? Next thing we need to do is take this and just go ahead and nuke it. So we'll explode it. So we have it in 4 different pieces, right? So next thing we can do is go to our surface. We'll go to sweep 2. We'll go from here to here. Oh, okay, hold down shift control, super select that one, right? Or we could I'll just back out of that by hitting escape. We can just grab those because those are all grouped together, right? And just ungroup it. And ungrouping does not break history, so it's no big deal. We'll grab that, sweep 2 now, and grab that rail, grab that rail, grab that, grab this, and grab that. Nope, sorry. They're not joined together, but that's okay. Sweep 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's our line. We don't need any of this over here, so we'll just turn all that off, and we'll give it some shading, and we have that edge there, right? Now we can take that surface, transform, mirror it over to our other side, so we have a surface here. And now what we can do is go to our surface, sweep 2 again, grab this curve over here, this curve here, and then this one, and then right click, and it's giving us something like that, which is not what we want, right? So let's, okay, we could join those together. Let's try it one more time. We can always use our non-parametric sweep 2 if it keeps, yep, okay. So it could be the direction, but anyway, we can go to our sweep 2 non-parametric, sweep 2 here, go from here, you know, that might be it. I'm going to back out of that real quick. I just want to go back to my sweep 2 here just to make sure I did this, gave this ample opportunity. Yep, select them both. Yeah, okay. So sweep 2 non-parametric, right? Go here, curve, here, curve, here, and then come down here, go to point, and we can snap right there that line coming across there, right? And it gives us that surface, right? So now we can take that, transform, mirror it over to our other side, X, not Y, and then enter, grab that surface, and this surface, not that, and join those together. And there we go. Okay, and then we'll grab this whole surface, it's all grouped. That one doesn't look like it's grouped. Yep, that one's not on. So let's grab that. Let's just grab all green and join it. Let's see if that's okay. Yep, okay. Then we can grab our surface, go to cap, boom, check it. Let's see. Okay, there's what that. You can see when I switch, it lights up the cap here. One of them does. So this one here we don't want, so we'll turn it to gray and we'll check it, close poly surface. Now we want to go ahead and grab that inside ring rail, and we'll just hold down shift and grab our, grab that curve, grab our gumball, hold down shift, and then expand it out, right? And we'll give it some shading to make sure, okay, it's not capped. We'll go ahead and cap it. Now it's capped, and this is a closed poly surface. This one here we don't need. So this one here is, let's check it, make sure, closed poly surface, solid. Boolean difference, 1, enter, 2, enter, and there you go. There's your item. We can take all our yellow now and change it over to green or gray and hide it. And there we have our signet ring with the sharp edges on it, right? And it's a 2.5 millimeter by 2.5 millimeter. The one thing I would definitely recommend is going ahead and just maybe filleting those or blending those edges right here and right here. And if you check with preview yes, right click, it'll give you those. And if you wanted to change it, just go ahead and set all, and you can change it to whatever you want. Let's just say a 0.5, hit enter for whatever reason, and there you go. Check it again, make sure it's close. There you go, there's your close poly surface. And it, you know, it'll just make it a little bit easier to wear, and it keeps you with all those nice sharp edges if that's what you're looking for. Very easily done, no problem. And then you can do cutouts and whatever design, and it is a 2.5. If we go to shading, and we go to our dimensions, and we'll just grab this here, and we'll just snap it right in here, hold down shift and snap it to our quad. You can see it's a 2.5 in this direction, and we'll do the same thing here, there, wrong one. Hold down shift here, 2.5 in that direction. I wonder why I hit the wrong button there, sorry. Oh, I'm loving that caps lock. There, 2.5, and of course it's still at our 10 up here, and it's still at our 10 right there, right? So there you go. Very quick, very easy. Now this is something that if you wanted to, you needed to, you know, most of the time when you do designs like this, you're not going to be doing designs down here at the very bottom, but occasionally you might, which you might want to make it exactly in the size you want. But let's just say you want to resize it. Again, you can go to, I believe it's tools, ring resizer, select our item. We need a ring rail, so grab that ring rail in there, throw it up in our ring resizer model area there, and then we can switch it to a 10, a 4, 14, and then go ahead and hit enter. Oop. Yeah. Oh, resizing. Okay, there we go. There. And we have them in those other sizes, right? So there you go. Hope this helps. You know, hope it helps you out in your design. So if you like the video, leave a comment, hit a like, and I'll try to maybe expand on this. Talk to you later, and have a good one.